Hi, I'm Tarmo Varren, and we are about to fix the cloud. Today, 80% of the cloud infrastructure is controlled by the US and China, and that's true across continents. This obviously generates a serious data sovereignty and security concern, as well as a massive socio-economic impact. In addition to this, there's about 100 billion of market value lost just amongst the top 50 public software companies alone due to high margins. Many have tried to solve it with multi-cloud, but in reality, you're still using the same infrastructure underneath, and you're just adding complexity and cost. The actual solution is a decentralized public cloud, a network of local cloud providers with a unified user experience. And we are addressing this in two phases. Phase one is a complete cloud platform that turns any data center into a public or private cloud. That part is already in production. Phase two is connecting those providers together into a unified cloud where the end users can deploy across all of them as if it was one provider. We have a very simple and transparent business model, a 20/80 revenue share with the public providers where they handle the hardware and sales and we take care of the software layer, and a more traditional capacity-based pricing model for private clouds. With first phase, we are already deployed in more than 10 countries across 20 plus locations serving over 5,000 businesses. And today already generates 2.6 million in annual recurring revenue, and with our 20% revenue share, it's 500K for us, which in our case is essentially also our gross profit. The market size for the cloud infrastructure itself is 170 billion, but more important is the why now. There are three shifts happening. A policy shift where governments are pushing for data sovereignty, well illustrated by a recent EU sovereign cloud framework. A market shift where 35% VMware workloads are leaving due to Broadcom acquisition. And a technology shift where AI is forcing organizations to rethink and rebuild their infrastructure. And this perfect storm creates an opening for us new players into the market. Our team is obviously ready to seize the opportunity. Myself and Henry built previously a digital agency that delivered over 500 e-commerce projects, and our CTO was over 6 years at Facebook as a senior infrastructure engineer. Our core team has a combined experience of over 100 years, and we are supported by excellent advisors. That brings us to the next chapter. We have already raised 3.9 million euros to build out and validate phase one, and we are now raising 5 million euros to build out phase two and start commercialization. With that, I invite you to participate in our breakout round and make data sovereignty for everyone, everywhere. Thank you, and let's connect.